Fine, let me go with the problem number 6. Right, here in a college library, different subject wise book picture details are given below. Right, so what we are supposed to find, how many subjects have books more than 50? That is what we need to find out. How many subjects have books more than 50? See, let us check out here mathematics. Right, first one is mathematics. Right, but here each square represent 10 books. See how many are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. That is 7 into 10, which is going to be 70. Now science. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 8 into 10, which is going to be 80. This is science, right? Right. Then Hindi, how many are there? 4 into 10, which is going to be 40. Right, English, that is 8 plus 1, 9. English, which is going to be 9 into 10, 90. Right, history, only 2 are there, 2 into 10, that is 20. The question is, how many subjects have books more than 50? So, how many are more than 50? This is 1, 2 and as well as 3. 3 subjects have more than 50 books. Option B is the right